Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to prompt using Pixverse AI. In order to do so, first off you're going to want to go to pix-verse.ai, and once you're logged in you should be met with a screen similar to this. And what you're looking for is just down here at the bottom you have your prompt box, and the way that Pixverse works is you can either add in some of your own text here and it will generate a video for you, or you can upload an image and you can generate a video for the specific image. I went ahead and created a generation here. All I did was enter in the prompt a gorgeous 8K fantasy forest. And here are our results. So as you can see with Pixverse, you do get some pretty nice results. There's a lot of very good clarity here, a lot of great detail with everything. It's sometimes with other generators, you're not necessarily going to get the best results, but with Pixverse here, I think that we are seeing some very nice results, as a matter of fact. So that's one way that you can do it. If we go back to the main page here, you can also add an image. And so we'll go ahead and do that here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got our futuristic city. So we can go ahead and add an image there. And then here for our prompt, we'll just say a futuristic city. Let's see, 8K. Okay, we'll just do something sort of similar, simple like that, a futuristic city, 8K, highest detail possible. Now, as far as prompts go, you can always go fairly simple, and a lot of times you're going to get good results just by being as simplistic as possible. However, if you want to use a chatbot like ChatGPT or Claude or any other chatbot that's out there, you can also ask for help with your prompts. So if there are specific details that you're looking for and you're not sure how to get that, then you can ask for the chatbot to help you out in that regard. So that will give you an idea here of what to expect. We'll go ahead and just hit create on that, and that is going to begin to queue up. But that is to give you a basic idea of how prompting works with Pixverse, and you can go ahead and play around with that. They do offer you some credits to start. It is 30 credits per generation, and they do give you about 100 credits, so it'll let you generate about 3 or 4 videos maybe, but that's just to give you an idea, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.